Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix microphone not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue, microphone not working. First solution, reset your iPhone setting. Changes in your iPhone setting for any reasons can affect the proper functioning of certain features or aspects on your device, including the microphone. Hands resetting your iPhone setting can help fix the issue. Worry not, as resetting the setting will not erase or wipe out your smartphone's data. You can reset your iPhone setting in the following way. Open the setting, click on General, enter your passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone. Only reset all settings, and then your problem will be fixed. Then second solution, if you have restarted your iPhone, sometimes as easy restarting your iPhone can fix many issues, including problem with your device microphones. Restarting the iPhone means all the apps on your device are shut down and system process running in the background are refreshed or reloaded. Then third solution, you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Then third solution, turn off the Bluetooth. Also, if your device is Bluetooth is unable, turn it off, as the device might think there are available Bluetooth devices nearby and try connecting to them. Casing the microphone to malfunctions, you can disable Bluetooth on your iPhone using the methods listed below. So open the setting, click on Bluetooth, so you have disconnect from here, then your problem will be fixed. The last solution, you have check available software, update and download or install them. Suppose you have recently updated to iOS 17 and they are facing these issues even after, quite possible that update might not have been installed properly on your device. Hence it is advised that you check for update and install them. If your device does not show any available update, try reinstalling the iOS 17 operating system on your device. Open the setting, click on General, click on Software Update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone. Must be installed and then your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.